Hello, let's continue part 2 of HTML, and we wrote this code in the part 1. You can see it, and we stopped at bg sound source away.mp3. We write embed source wildlife.wmv. This is the file name of the file, and this is the extension of the file. Okay, after this we can preview the web page to see the audio and the video that we added with the Internet Explorer. And here we found the image. Okay, and we have a background sound, and here is the video of the wildlife. You can see it. Okay, so after we add the video and we added the image and we added the background sound, we can also have attributes at the body. We can use background image and background color. How? We wrote it inside the body. Inside the body we write space bg color equal green. Okay, and we save, and we open the page. Here is the color of the background is green. Okay, we can also put a background like image. In all the background we can use image, okay, instead of a color. How? We wrote here instead of bg color background equal, and the name of file image and the extension of the file. Okay, we can also make the body from the left to right or from right to left from the direction. How? You can write here space and write a direction equal dir left to right, or we can make it right to left, and then save, and you can preview. Finally, we can have a hyperlink in the page using the a tag. How? Let's see together. Inside the body we write a and then h reference, and then we write, look here, I summarize the hyperlink text for you to be very clear. Here I write the address that we need to move to it, because we said that before that the hyperlink is a spot that we transmit you to another place. So this is we write here the place that you want to go to it, and here the text or the picture that you, when you click on it, it transmits you to this place. Okay, so we here close the tag. Like, I need to go to the HLS website or hls.net, and here I need to put an image logo for this site. I put image source dot image dot .bng, and then we close the tag. So what will happen? I will see a picture called image.png, and when I clicked on it, it transmit me to a place called hls.net. This is for the picture. But if I need to put a text, I write hls school. When I press on hls school, it transmits me to this place. Or, to be clear with you, this is Ministry of Education website. Okay, when I press on Ministry of Education website, it will transmit me to the website. Let's copy this link and put it in our file HTML. After we copy the link here, let's see the effect of it here, and we press on Ministry of website. This is hyperlink, and it will transmit you to the website of the Ministry of the Education website. Okay, I think it's very clear. And this is the end of unit 2. I hope you review all the tags here and see the function, study it carefully, and know the attributes of every tag, and do it yourself. Please don't forget that if you need to know the extension of any file, of any picture, of whatever, you press on it by right click and see the properties of it. So here the type of file will be appear. Okay, and if you need to see the source of the website, you can press here, right click, and see the page source to see how the website is written by the HTML code. This is how the Ministry of Education written as a code. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next time, inshallah. Good luck.